Being an entrepreneur, simply put, is fun. You know something about marketing, maybe know something about technology or business, and being an entrepreneur really allows you to integrate all of those and bring something that you are truly passionate about to people who may not know about it.
Most of the time, you regret not doing things and you regret not having taken the chance. And to see all the dreams that you used to have and then not have chased them, that is one of the biggest fears that I have. And I think it's a fear everyone has. It's just not, like, we don't think about it every day, but it's what we should be thinking about every day.
Our goal is to drive down the cost of going to space and increase the accessibility, and that's a future I'm excited for.
It's mobile, it's solar powered, and it's going to offer chilled and filtered water to its end users.
It is not only structurally sound, but it is cost effective enough to be replicated around the world.
A mobile application that interfaces patients with their doctors in order to monitor treatment progress.
This is where you can have multiple users at their house by recording together live in real time. You can think of it as a Google Docs for recording.
The single most defining characteristic I look in entrepreneurs is courage. It's really easy to be empathetic and wonderful to everybody until times get tough. And then times are tough, you're freaking out, this is your company. You have the courage to stand there and still be empathetic. And so to me, courage is really a defining characteristic, and from there, everything else flows.